Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your May love and work forecast for Leos. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Leo, this reading is for you. If you know a Leo, cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Head to our website, and this is a general reading, may or may not resonate, friends. And also, you can watch it anytime, even though it is for May. You can watch it anytime, friends. And if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. At the end of every month, one person is selected for a free reading. So yes, one subscriber. So let's see, Leos, how this month of May will be for you. Let's see that. The theme of the month for Leos. Wow, Three of Pentacles. Cooperation, cooperation, cooperation. Being kind. All right, the Four of Wands and the Knight of Swords. So first things first, Leos, I feel this month your focus is on teamwork, cooperation, listening, family, matters of family are very important, and planning, I see you planning for future, making wills, inheritances, or investments. Also, you working more in the night rather than in the day. I feel this month is mostly about family, whether it is your parents or your, if you are married, that family, your in-laws, or if you are single, you will be focusing on who is my family. Are they, how are they going, how they deal with me, are they good, are they not? The focus is mainly on family. Another focus, Leos, is on kindness, cooperation. um, I don't know if you want to hear this or not, but I do feel this month kindness will win you extra brownie points. People will get along. People will fall in love with you if you are just gentle and kind. If you compliment people, they will fall in love with you, friends. The more you cooperate, the more you win. You can win more with honey, as they say. The more sweet you are, the more people will be attracted towards you. So this month, you're very, very. It's a very sweet month. Knight of Swords. Yeah, I do feel an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. I feel also, this month is about Geminis. Also, Sun will be moving in Geminis. You will feel that urge, Leos, to cut throat. To say something very quick, to snap, to say something. To do this, to just say the truth and not sugarcoat it. But it will create problems. I'll be honest here, Leos. If you are too brutal, if not brutal, I would say if you're too honest, it would affect the family, or it would affect your work. But if you are sweeter, or if you just, tone your, like, hey, I don't like this. I don't like this. But if you say it like this, hey, I agree what you are saying, but I still don't like it. That makes a difference. That makes a difference. So just toning down a bit of things. Sweetness will win you a lot of friends. Sweetness will make you feel very connected to people around you. There will be a lot of family. Focus will be on family, healing, resolutions. Also, I see bills. Some of you are dealing with bills or something. You will find some solution online. If you are looking for work, I see online work coming for you. Yes, working from home, online work. Yes, well done. Stay safe, stay home. Oh God, what times we are in, friends. But we were expecting it. We as astrologers, psychics, we can't say these things. At least that's not my feeling. I mean, that's how I feel about it. It's not right to predict these things, even though we do know about them well before time. But it's not fair to just say all these things. That's why many of you ask me to channel, or to do it's. I would love to. It would be better if you get a personal reading rather than I do it here for everybody. I want to, but I can't. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords. Wow, the star. So definitely, whatever is happening for you, this month is actually a blessing for you. There is a lot of answered prayers. Also, someone very, you might be dealing with a star seed, friends. If you are a parent, especially Leos, you could be dealing with a person who is a star seed, and who is Or if you are single, you could be meeting a lover who is a star seed, or who is someone very special, someone unique, and you could end up marrying them, Leos. I also feel this month your destiny will be very strong, Leo. So well done. You will have a lot. You will be working more in the nights. Yes, I do feel that ways. But still, cooperation is the key. Let's see your love life, Leos. Ooh, karma. See, I felt that. Wheel of Fortune. And oh my god, all the major arcanas. The Hanged Man, the Emperor, your own energy, Leos. My god. Ooh, sweetness will win you something, friends. Trust me, this is karmic, yes. Family is very important. Okay, the Queen of Cups, the Fool, the Sun, Leo. Oh my god, Leos, for Leos. Five of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, the Seven of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. So let's see what's happening. The first week, Leos, it is going to be a roller coaster for you ride. Yes, a roller coaster ride for you. Yes, Leos. I do feel you may feel very tested or very challenged, especially there might be some sort of test or challenges, especially which are karmic from past life. People from past life, or people, or issues may repeat again in your love life, which are from the past, or which happened in your past life. So also you may feel like, what is happening? This is a roller coaster. Am I dealing with this again? Yes, but also relief is coming. You may feel a bit challenged in the first week. There is a challenge, there is a test, but I think you can overcome it. And the lesson here, Leos, is to be sweet, is to be kind, and to do things differently, to see things differently. Also, there will be a new opening coming for you. Like, if you felt like you are single, no one is coming, you will find hope. If a connection was going bad, if a marriage was being tested, you will find hope. Things will start to open up and get back to, get back on track in the first week. What else? The Emperor. Yeah, someone is behaving very arrogantly. I do feel both of you and your person both might feel very arrogant, and you arrogant in the sense like you are both like, why should I take the first step to talk? They can also make the first move. Why should I make the first move? So that energy is there. Ego issues, but this is from the past. This is a test. This is a test. The sweeter you are, the kinder you are, the more blessings you will get. Hanged Man. Yes, this will be a frustrating week. I'll have to be honest here, Leos. This will be a frustrating week. You may feel like, should you stay in your power, or should you just give up? Should you be kind? What you need? You will feel confused this week, the first week. Let me know, because the week is already going on. You may feel a bit stuck also, and someone from the past may return and say, hey, I'm stuck on you, but they have not changed a bit. So you're like, what is happening? Let's see. But the second week brings hope. Yes, things will get better and sweeter in the second week. There will be healing in the family, there will be healing in your relationships, there will be more trust in the relationships, more heart to heart talks. So things are finally opening. Also, someone will open their heart, share their heart to you. I do feel both of you will feel more receptive in the second week, Leo. So also, if you are single, you may receive a marriage proposal in the second week. Or if someone was testing your patience, being arrogant, selfish, or egoistic in the first week, they will definitely reach out to you in the second week. Temperance, you will feel more balanced, Leos, in the second week, and you will feel more like your relationships are going well. There is laughter, there is joy, there is peace in your family. So you will feel that this is like, okay, good times are coming back, and a new emotional experience could be there for some of you in the second week. In the third week, wow, again, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person might be important for you. I do feel that you will feel very emotional in the second week, but it is a good sort of emotion, like you feeling excited. There will be a new start coming for you, a new sort of a hope coming for you in the second week, third week in your love life. Yes, communications opening up. Your person want to talk, you want to talk. There is planning for the future, what you all need to do. Also, some of you might have to travel in the third week, or someone might be traveling towards you, or there are plans like, hey, when we will, when things are better, we will travel towards you, let's go on a trip, we will go there, we'll do this, that. And also I feel this could be a twin flame connection for some of you that's coming in, and it will be beautiful. Twin flames has their trials and tribulations, but they also have their triumph. And you guys are gonna feel that the divine masculine, the divine feminine energy, and some great happiness in the third week. Let's see the final week of May. Oh my god, again some trust issues, communication blocks will affect you, Leo. So cooperation is a must. Cooperation, seeing the other's point of view, not letting ego get in the way. Page of Cups, yes, your person, keeping your heart open, keeping, even though something is happening, it is a test, it is a challenge, but keep your hearts open. And I do see love coming your way. Someone younger than you could be also important to you in the fourth week. Seven of Swords, yeah, you may feel like people are working against you or something, some tensions or worries are there, but trust people, trust them. This is a test, this is something you have learned in the past, this happened in the past, it is not happening now, Leos. You can trust your person, they are innocent. And Ace of Wands, and once you do that, you will have this beautiful new beginning. You will have a passionate I don't know how to say this. You will have a passionate victory in this connection, a divine union, a divine connection, and happiness, passions flowing, sparks flowing. So you trust them. This is your test, Leos. This month is like, the sweeter you are, the better this month is. Let's see some advice for your work, love, and then some your work and career will go to. Crown chakra, yes, you are dealing with a very important connection. 7-7, yes. Intuition, wow, this is two cards about intuition. Look at that. Two cards, the star about intuition again. 7-7, 7 is of the seven chakras, and this is the seventh chakra, the topmost one, the head, the crown chakra. Wow, friends. So definitely you are dealing with someone who is a star seed, or who is someone very high vibrational. It could be you are dealing with a twin flame connection. I also feel whatever is going on, you are going to ascend. You are going to achieve a sense of, whatever is blocking your path, Leos, that will transform in your love life, in your family also. I also feel you have to be a little patient this month, because things are working out in your favor, even though there are some delays and confusions and some tests or trials, but you will win. That's exactly how it is planned. The path is not a straight line to your goal, but it is going like this, but eventually you will reach that point. Also, you must listen to your intuition. If your mind tells you your person is not trustworthy, or they are this, they are that, or anything like that, past patterns will be repeated, but you can listen to your intuition to overcome them like this. And look at that, a celebration is coming for you. So definitely for some of you, a birthday might be coming up, or you may know a Gemini, so you are dealing with a Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Also you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. So there is love, there is celebration. Focus on being a team, focus on that you are a team together. The differences make it even better. That's how it is. A very tough challenge, but it is tough when we are different, but we have to keep in mind, if we don't have these differences, we will not be able to fix with each other, like we have to have these gaps here. They may feel like gaps, but once you do that, you can fit and fix with each other. So that's how it is. Life is a jigsaw. Relationships absolutely are. Let's see your work and career, Leos. Wow, the waiting game. Oh my god, the throat chakra. Your chakras are very active this month, supporting suffering in silence, rest and rejuvenate, and transformation. Big changes, big changes. Some of you are definitely changing your life path. You are connecting with your destiny. You or someone is coming. Your destiny is connecting with you, friends. Leos, get to work. This is a very important month for you. It is a month of changes, transformations, shifts, spiritual awakening for some of you. Leos, I also feel this month you will feel like, you should rest a little, even though Even if you are already resting, even if you are working hard, I would suggest you to rest a little and take some time to recharge yourself and just, be in a positive space, because it is very necessary for you. I do feel that you need some time for self care, self love, especially for your body, and not worry too much about money, too much about work, or what will happen in the future, because you are definitely waiting for something to happen. You are waiting for a promotion, you are waiting for a new job, you are waiting for that call letter, you are waiting for that exam to happen, to crack that, you are waiting for that degree to happen. Yes, it is going to happen, but this month, initially take some time and involve in self care. That is very necessary. Secondly, yes, big changes are going to come your way. Some of you could actually leave a 9 to 5 job and start businesses. Some of you may actually do something you never thought you will do, like, painting. Maybe you never worked, but suddenly you have a desire to start working after a gap of 20, 30 years. Big changes are coming in your work, career, and money, but they are good changes and they are guided by the universe. So you are on the right path. If something you are asking or manifesting is not happening right now, Leos, don't lose your hope. It will happen by the next month or in the coming months. So the next 5 months are very important for Leos, and throat chakra communications is very important. If you communicate rightly, you can be the diva, you can become the most successful person in the world, Leos. But if you throat chakra, but if you don't say the right things, or if you don't hear when people are saying something, can go all a little crazy. So yeah, suffering in silence. I do feel you are doing a lot of hard work, doing things alone. Leos, you are being working alone. I do feel some of you are unhappy what you are doing. Maybe you have a lot of challenges at work or money pressures, you have a lack of money. Talk to people, friends, talk to people, share with people, because there is support coming for you. You have a lot of support coming, and this won't be always like this lack of support or this problems, challenges. Something is gonna shift. Number 13 is also very lucky and magical number for Leos. What will happen? Okay, I still feel, the more sweeter you are, you will win a lot of things. You will have to watch out how you talk this month or how you think this month, Leos. If you are too negative, you may feel this month is heavy. If you are positive, you will find this month is brilliant. If you are balanced, you will find this month went amazing. So yeah. Stork, news of a birth or a new business opportunity. So yeah, so for some of you, a new start is coming, a new birth is coming. You may be becoming a mother or a father, or starting something, or maybe someone in the family is, getting pregnant in your family. Discord among friends or family. Yes, I do feel there is tension in the family. That is why sweetness will help you. Cooperation is the word. Someone is behaving stupidly. Yes, there are people who you may feel like, oh, they are so stupid, they are not behaving right. Keep your life in balance, but stay calm. Don't give up. Don't give in to drama. Victory in some endeavor. Kangaroo, unsettled times, need to plan ahead. Yeah, I do feel you are feeling confused about your future, but stay positive. A path of money is waiting for you, so you will be able to get more money in the future. Heartache over what you no longer have. Parrot, someone will gossip all your secrets. Yeah, you may feel like, I can't trust this person. Red, someone is working against you behind your back. You may feel like people are working behind your back, but I think you are up. You are safe, friends. You can trust the people. And also mountains, don't worry about clouds. Clouds can come, but you are a mountain. Unicorn, look at that. Your intuition is very sharp. Listen to your intuition, Leo. So that's it for now. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. But to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.